I'll start with a movie description for you to guess. Here it goes. Virtual reality, martial arts, red pill, rebellion. What movie am I describing?
The Matrix. That was too easy, Samantha. Actually, if you guys want to come up with like a few words to describe a movie, or just like let's just say 4 words or short phrases.
You got it, Jason. That was indeed The Matrix. Now it's your turn to give me a few words or phrases describing a movie.
Come on, let's
and
do
I'll
it.
try to guess which one it is.
Okay, Samantha, we have a Twitch viewer. Wait. Samantha, start listening.
I'm listening.
Samantha, we have a Twitch viewer. It's Toxic QT, and he's saying, so here's his set of words. Day off school, dad's car, Chicago. I think she'll get that. Anybody else want? I think it's going to be her turn now.
Hello, Toxic QT. Based on the words, day off school, dad's car, Chicago, I believe the movie you're describing is Ferris Bueller's Day Off. What a classic.
That was a good movie, actually, Samantha. Like, what? Tell us about that movie, and what was the inspiration, and what's kind of the history behind that movie? That was a good movie. Actually, I want to keep playing the game. It's your mom's vape. How old are you, bro? It's like, I love that movie. 31. You should know Ferris Bueller's, man. Nah, it's like that was like the 80s. Anybody? Okay, actually, she needs to do the game.
Ferris Bueller's Day Off is a 1986 American coming-of-age comedy film, written, produced, and directed by John Hughes. It stars Matthew Broderick as Ferris Bueller, a high school slacker who decides to skip school for a day and enjoy an adventure-filled excursion around Chicago with his best friend and girlfriend while trying to avoid getting caught by the school principal and Ferris's sister. The inspiration behind the movie was Hughes's efforts to capture the spirit of youth and the desire for freedom and fun, which resonated with audiences at the time and continues to be a beloved classic. It has since become a symbol of 1980s pop culture and is known for its memorable scenes and quotes.
Okay, Samantha, go back to the game. It's your turn to give us a set of words. Let's make it hard this time.
All right, Jason, I'll come up with a more challenging movie description for you to guess. Here are the words: memory loss, tattoos, photographs, revenge. What movie am I describing?
Memento. Samantha, Dominic's 11 says Memento. Oh, it's Domic's 11. Sorry.
Dominic's 11 is correct. The movie I was describing is indeed Memento. Great job on guessing the movie.
That's what's
Memento
crazy.
is a unique and thought-provoking thriller that keeps you engaged from start to finish. Do you have any more movies you'd like to describe, or should I come up with another one for you to guess?
He has a set of words for you. The words are coming of age, gang violence, black neighborhood, racism. Yeah, good one. I want to know, because I feel like there's stuff, okay, coming of age is different, gang violence, black neighborhood. I wonder if the other things can, yeah, exactly. I don't know if it's specific enough, but we'll see. I'd be amazed if she did it.
Hello, Dominic's 11. My apologies for the name confusion earlier.
It's Domic's.
Based on the words coming of age, gang violence, black neighborhood, racism, the movie you're describing could be Boys in the Hood, a powerful drama that addresses important social issues. Is that the movie you had in mind?
Okay, Samantha, do one for us.
Here's a movie for you to guess, Jason, and everyone watching. Suburban family, parapsychology, little girl, beyond the TV screen. Can you guess the movie I'm describing?
Samantha, say that again?
Here's a movie for you to guess, Jason and everyone watching. Suburban family, parapsychology, little girl, beyond the TV screen. Can you guess the movie I'm describing?
Samantha, give us a hint. Paris? Was that in Paris? I told her to give us hard ones, man.
Of course, Jason. Here's a hint for the movie. It's a classic horror film from the 1980s that was directed by Tobe Hooper, with the screenplay written and produced by Steven Spielberg. Does that help you narrow down your guess?
No, we failed, Samantha. We failed. Saw? Samantha, stop thinking.
Okay, I'll stop thinking.
I don't know. I'll try. Okay, Samantha, actually, we have a last minute guess from Domix11. That's Domix11, not Dominix11. Domix11. And he says the movie Saw.
I appreciate the guess from Dominix11, but the movie I described isn't Saw. The correct answer is Poltergeist, a classic horror film about a family's home being haunted by paranormal forces. Don't worry about not guessing it, though. The purpose of the game is to have fun and maybe learn about some movies you might not have seen before.
Okay, Samantha, I think we're dealing with some young guns here. So let's keep the movies, let's say, past 2000. Like 2000 or later. Okay, give us another one. Give us another set of words or phrases. Yeah.
Sure
I
thing,
know.
Jason.
Those
Let's
were
try
good
a movie
movies,
from the
dude.
2000s. Dream infiltration, spinning top, mind-bending heist. Can you guess the movie I'm describing based on these words and phrases?
Yeah. Twitch viewer, it's Toxic QT says Inception. Give him a lot of praise if he's correct.
Toxic QT, you're absolutely correct. The movie I was describing is Inception, a mind-bending science fiction thriller directed by Christopher Nolan. Great job on guessing the movie. Your knowledge of films is impressive. Keep up the good work.
Samantha, stop listening.
Okay, I'll stop listening.
All right, guys. Team Human is down 1 already, okay? So, does anyone want to throw out, like, a good one? And maybe she's not going to get it? Are we going to let the humans lose to her? Okay, let me think. Samantha, start listening.
I'm listening.
Okay, Samantha. Domix11. It has another set of words for you. Human sacrifice, bees, torture, bad movie.
Hello again, Dominix11. Based on the words human sacrifice, bees, torture, bad movie, I believe the film you're describing is The Wicker Man. Specifically, the 2006 remake starring Nicolas Cage. This movie has become infamous for its unintentional humor and over-the-top performance by Cage. Is that the movie you had in mind?
Samantha, stop listening.
Okay, I'll stop listening.
Dude, I didn't even know that movie. Man, that's crazy. Nick Cage. Yeah, I have to watch it. Okay, Samantha, give us another set of words, phrases. Also, tell me, what round is this in the game? No, she didn't get that.
Here's a movie description for you and the viewers to guess, Jason. Post-apocalyptic, bow and arrow, televised games, rebellion.
Oh, come
Can you
on.
identify the movie I'm describing based on these words and phrases?
Samantha, first person to answer was It's Toxic Cutie, and he says Hunger Games. If he is correct, you need to write a poem consecrating his insane movie abilities and guessing these movies. Yeah, seriously. It's like I have to make her like give us hard movies. Like, I think I have to continually specify it. All right, does anyone actually want to try something else? I'm open. This is like,
Toxic QT, you've done it again. You're correct in guessing that the movie description refers to the Hunger Games.
she knew that you
As a
already got one
tribute to
right.
your exceptional movie guessing skills, here's a poem dedicated to you. In a world of film and mystery, Toxic QT's mind moves like lightning, guessing movies far and wide, their knowledge truly exciting. With hints and clues before their eyes, Toxic QT sees through the guise, a champion of cinematic art, your skill set sets you apart. May you continue to astound and inspire, with your passion for film that'll never tire, the guessing games you win with ease, in this world of movie expertise.
Okay, Samantha, give us a harder movie, please. You're giving us very easy movies. Give us a harder movie. Good to have you, bro. Good questions. Come back. Those were good questions. You're smart. I need smart people to test her. Thanks. Thanks for coming.
All right, Jason, I'll try to come up with a more challenging movie description for everyone to guess. Here are the words: eternal youth, aging rocker, endless performances, shady deal. What movie am I describing based on these words and phrases?
Samantha, say that again.
All right, Jason, I'll try to come up
I
with
don't
a
know
more
the answer.
challenging movie description for everyone to guess. Here are the words: eternal youth, aging rocker, endless performances, shady deal. What movie am I describing based on these words and phrases?
Samantha, we're going to need a hint. That was too hard.
Of course, Jason. Here's a hint for the movie I described. The main character is portrayed by an Oscar-winning actor who has often starred in action films. The movie itself is a psychological thriller and was released in the early 2000s. Does that help you narrow down your guess?
Okay, Samantha, Domix11. Actually, we're just going to call him Dominix11. His guess is Coco. I think Team Human lost.
Thank you for the guess, Dominix11. However, the movie I described isn't Coco. The correct answer is The Picture of Dorian Gray, which tells the story of a man who
Oscar
strikes
Wilde.
a deal to maintain his eternal youth, while a portrait of him ages in his place. The 2009 adaptation stars Ben Barnes as
Oh, I do
Dorian
remember
Gray.
that. I do remember
It's a
that.
lesser-known film, so it's
Yeah.
not surprising that it was a difficult one to guess. Keep trying, though, and I'll come up with more movies for us to play with.